Hi guys, welcome back to Honestly Talking. I am Shamdi and right now I'm in Khan Market, one of the busiest and posh markets in Delhi. So today at Khan Market, we are going to have our lunch at this amazing place which has been tantalizing taste buds with the amazing sizzlers. So let's go. Right outside Gola Sizzlers, so let's see what Gola Sizzlers have got for us. Let's go. The place has a very beautiful vibe. The decor is a blend of elegance and comfort. The lighting looks perfect, neither too dim nor too bright, creating a cozy atmosphere, and the seating also simple and comfortable. So now let's see what Gola Sizzler has got for us. One veg biryani sizzler, and I'll have one current affair mocktail. And later on sweets I'll tell you. Sweets I'll tell you. Dessert I'll tell you. So here's my veg biryani sizzler and it smells delicious. So the food overall looks beautiful, so let's see if it is as delicious or not. Guys, this is delicious. So the biryani, the rice has a flavor of elaichi and it is a little spicy, and although biryanis are supposed to be spicy, they're generally spicy and I like spicy food. Or साथ में I have this paneer kebab which is very soft and it's very flavorful, and on the side we have some vegetables. There are beans, then there are baby corns, there is carrot, there is mushrooms, and to accompany my sizzler I have ordered for this current affair mocktail. So the mocktail is a mix of black currant crushed with lime juice, cranberry and soda. It's so refreshing. The perfect balance of sweet and sour with soda that is adding a little fizz to it. And lastly, no meal is complete without something sweet, something in desserts. So I've ordered for brownie sizzler. Let's try it. Guys, chocolate being my guilty pleasure, this just made my day. It's so yummy.